The National Socioeconomic Survey is a very important cog in the chain of the ESAS execution, because all the ESAS programs, their eligibility is going to be pegged with the new National Socioeconomic Survey, and the policy for this has already been approved. So that is one of the reasons why the National Socioeconomic Survey is so critical. The second reason why the National Socioeconomic Survey is critical is because the entire social protection operations of various provincial governments are also going to be linked to it. So whether it is the PSPA in Punjab, or whether it is Sindh or Balochistan or KP, wherever, or GB, wherever there are interventions running, they are going to be pegged to this survey. And we are actually bolstering our institutional arrangements to facilitate provinces to work more actively with us. The third reason why this is important is because of shock responsiveness. COVID has left us in very uncertain times. And the dynamic nature of the registry will enable us to pre-position our assistance much better during times of shock. So that's the third reason. The fourth reason is that the data in this survey is absolutely vital to the transformation that the policy transformation that the country wants to have in terms of moving away from untargeted to targeted subsidies backbone. So that's the fourth reason why this is so very critical. And the fifth reason is that this will enable researchers access to a lot of information.